Brush off that sawdust. It's time for Anatomy of a Clamp. Today, we'll be taking a closer look at our classic pony pipe clamp fixtures. These fixtures turn ordinary 3/4-inch threaded pipes into extraordinary clamps. The strong, durable castings have a wide clamping face, and our original multiple disc clutch design provides some serious clamping oomph. Just twist the crank handle and let the Acme threaded screw do the work. And the best part? They can be used with any length pipe. So if you can find the longest pipe in the world, you can make the longest clamp in the world. It all adds up to a clamp that gives you more versatility than ever before. Because we don't compromise on our clamps, and you don't compromise on your work. Visit ponyjorgensen.com to get yours.